Bolo!
Right, he's one half of the champions, damn it! Welcome home! Welcome home! Welcome home! Welcome home! Welcome home! Welcome home! You go ahead and tell everybody, because you got it screwed up. You tell everybody what you are.
First of all, let me just say,
shut up!
Feels great to be home as one half of the TCW Tag Team Champions. Now, for those of you that weren't aware, the reason why I wasn't here the last couple of months is because I was actually down in California at NWA Hollywood.
What the hell is this? Hollywood Bolo! Hollywood Bolo! Why is this idiot coming out here? Oh my God!
And I quote.
I believe you were champion for what, like 2 weeks?
Did somebody say Hollywood?
Hollywood Bolo! Hollywood Bolo! Freedom! Hollywood Bolo!
Hey, Bolo. Hey.
He was actually in.
Now, I'm not here to talk crap. I'm here to make a major announcement.
You're retiring!
Bolo, my announcement involves you. It involves you, Bolo. You see, I'm going to be leaving wrestling for a while to accomplish another goal. But Bolo, me and you go way back. We used to train together. We go back to being just Aaron Bolo and just Dana James. And now,
you're still just
you're the Korean crippler,
you're still just
and I'm the bros champion.
Bolo! I'm sorry, is there a belt for that? Bolo's better!
Bolo. That's why I'm out here, actually. That's why I'm out here. Bolo. You see, tonight, we need to give these people something special. I told TCW I'm going away, and there's one thing bothering me. And that's that I've never beaten you, Bolo. I've beaten everybody else.
No, we won't.
I looked at the stats. You got the Kung Pao kick. You got the chop. And you got the ever so popular Korean drop.
Kung Pao's
Which, by the way, really hurts. And I've got a bro hop.
Oh my God.
A bro kick. The people's L bro. The bro bottom. The bro KO. And new to tonight, the bro Rooney. So Bolo, I'm going away. You're back. Let's entertain these people like I know we can.
You want to call him
Bolo, let's get a rep out here.
Whole rep and show.
Whole rep and show. Whole rep and show.
Do it all.
these people what they want. I've never beaten you. I'm going to do it in front of these people tonight.
Just don't run away.
But you know what? Let's just entertain. Like I know we can. Like you know we can.